Okay, let's go to the burner. What is the spring? Okay. Now there is a park here.
这个是2周公园，咱们在哪儿啊？咱们大概在这个位置，这叫玲珑塔，电视转播塔啊，在这儿。你看这个水系，这都是人工盖的啊，人工建的啊。这个水系啊，这都是后来人工奥运会时候盖的，像什么？
What's it called?
这个蓝色的水像什么？龙，对，像龙。这就是人工的一条水龙，知道吧？啊，中轴线是旱龙啊，这是水龙。然后这一带很多绿色是什么呀？就是森林公园，这叫奥林匹克森林公园。咱们现在在的是奥林匹克公园，有很多这个体育场馆。然后这是鸟巢水立方，然后这边是国家体育馆。国家体育馆干什么的？是这个体操比赛的场馆。然后在这边新盖的历史研究院跟考古博物馆。然后这边共产党的这个展览馆、工艺美术馆、科技馆啊，一般这个小学生愿意去科技馆啊，以后你们有机会自己来也可以去啊。还有这边是亚洲金融大厦，一带一路那个资金提供就是这儿啊。然后这边是会议中心啊。好，咱们跟我往南走，那个拍个景。
Okay. Don't worry, I won't rip your face. I'm talking different. I won't rip anyone's face. Okay, is it? So, hey, that's gorgeous. Wow, look at that. Where's the water? Right here. Okay, what's that? Sorry. There are people talking. People are passing umbrellas in a second. I think I like this place, but yeah. Sorry, I'm not good. Oh, there's it. Over there. Literally over there.
来体验一下中轴线啊，北京的中轴线，这是北京的中轴线，看过吧？
Look. This. Okay. Okay, let's get it closer. I know it's quite hot here, huh? Half an ear, bro, but
第
yeah.
4天你们去故宫也是在这条线上。
就是走过去啊！
But this
不
one.
你走过去，你哪儿走得了？
哇！
That's right. The first day when I here.
随便你
Who owns the way? Yeah. You had to stay tuned and
然后呢？
video. All right. Now look at
娘娘
that.
庙就是以前的一个庙，
Which one did I move?
后来也重
I
新修
think
的。
I have
娘娘庙
seen
是
this
什
in
么
the
呀？
book.
北顶娘
I
娘
can't
庙，
believe I've
叫
seen
北
the
顶
real
这
one.
就是一个地
OMG.
神啊。
So it looks like some random government steel panels. I guess they're, yeah, I guess steel pillars. And who said it's not even
你
real?
覺得我哋要行幾多
Or is it?
幾耐先
How long
即係
are
咁
we?
樣買門票啊？
Well, I think
呢個
this
白
is
宮嚟啊，
this is
大
like
概
the tour.
大概32
Well,
小時，
basically this trip, everything here is a tour, so
應該死咗㗎啦。
literally,
8小
I
時應該
so it looks really cool.
体操和蹦
Oh, that's a nice
体操和蹦床，知道吧？
indoor stadium. Okay, that is quite a very big one.
老姐，咱们几点收啊
And that's all for the video. There's also more gifts
？OK。
thing, but
对对对。
I'm really sure. We're just going to take a look inside. Wait.